A big hello to you, pre-primaries. I want to give you 2 thumbs up for all of the wonderful work that you've been putting on Seesaw. It is making me so happy to see you trying your best every single day. So well done. Today, you're going to be having a go at this worksheet. Now, if you look at your worksheet, you're going to see lots of sounds on the page. Now, I know you've been trying and practicing really hard with all of your sounds. So today, you're going to say each sound out loud to your parent so they can hear it as well. I thought we could go through each sound together today before you do that at home with your families. Let's give it a go together now. S, A, T, P, I, N, D, E, K, M, G, O, A, B, L, J, Z, X, Y, W, Q, K, V. I look forward to seeing how you go.